Hey folks, DJ with the Rabbit School Garage. Today I'm going to go ahead and install this tailgate assist. It's supposed to make the tailgate drop slower. Mine doesn't have a dampener on it, so it just kind of pops down, and this is supposed to assist with that. So we're going to get this installed. This is made by a company called DeeZee, D-E-E-Z-E-E. Got it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. And it looks like for this it's part number DeeZee 43200. So yep, we're gonna get it installed, and basically it's gonna go about right here. So let's get working on it. Before I get started, I just wanted to show you real quick what all comes in the kit. It's the shock itself, dampener. Looks like some Loctite. I think that's how it adjusts itself. And then the couple of mounts, but it also comes with a T50 Torx wrench with it. The only other things you'll need, you can see, here's the list right here. Move my drill. T50 Torx, an M5 Allen wrench, a tape measure, which whatever, and 10 and a 13 millimeter wrench or socket for the 13 millimeter. So I've got my Allen wrench and my two wrenches here, and instead of using the wrench that came, the Allen or the Torx that came with it, I'm going to be using my power one. So alright, let's get this moving. It's super cold out here, and I don't want to try to figure this out by myself, so I am going to go ahead and just follow the instructions that came with it. It says to adjust the Net Nutsert, which is this tool, so that there is 3/4 inch from the washer to the head of the bolt. So that's where your tape measure comes into play. We're looking at 3/4 inch, and I'm a little less than that, so let's wind it out a little bit more. There we go. Alright, now we're going to use the Allen wrench and the 10 mil to put that in place and hold it there. So go ahead and run your nut down onto the bolt. Okay, and then it says install the blind nut into the opening by the tailgate pivot point. Oh, so there's apparently, oh yeah, there is. Let me show you. Right here's a opening. So apparently we're supposed to stick this in there. What we're doing here is this is going to go into the bed of the tailgate here, and your main goal is to get this gold colored piece here into the tailgate, and then you can see this basically cinches down and then tightens it up around the metal. So it looks like once it's all done, everything from right here back is not even going to be saved or used. So I went ahead and got me my drill, and we're just gonna power our way through it. It looks like I can use the 10 millimeter wrench just to kind of hold it there while I cinch this bad boy up. Wrong way. Okay, well, I think that did it. Apparently I got a little too tight. Yeah, that's in there. Whew. I don't know if you saw, but they had a little, there was, in between these two washers was a little ball bearing that allows it to twist. And apparently I just shattered that thing using my torque drive. So, oops. But we got the result we wanted, which is that in there. So now it says to, oh, that's this. Now we're going to put this piece in, which goes right into that mount that we just put in. So spin it in, and that's where the 13 millimeter comes into play. All right, there we go. Next, all right. Next, we need to remove the cable for the tailgate. So you basically just pull this little tab up, and then it just slides right off. So let's do that. Come on now. There you go. Alright, then we're going to pop this out, and then this bracket's going to go right up in there. Oh, wrong one. Wow. That doesn't want to come out at all. Alright. Well, let's try the wrench that came with it. Maybe. Wow, jeez. That does not want to come out, folks. Okay, well, apparently my impact driver is not good enough, so I'm going to use a big dog. See if I can't do it with a ratchet. Good Lord! Man, that thing didn't want to come out. But looks like I broke it. Now we should be able to use this. Yeah, there we go. It just needed busted loose. It's a little bit rusty. So now let's see. This says to put it back in there with the pin toward the bottom. Right? So you want the shock mount at the bottom. I've got the top one mounted now. It just basically pushes in and you just pop it and it goes right on. Now we're going to move down to the bottom one. We're going to go ahead and lift the tailgate up. Get this one on. Again, just snap it right on. And there we go. Tailgate closes nice and easy. And let's go ahead and back up a little bit. Let's watch it drop. Yeah, look at that. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. There you go. Nice, quick, simple, easy install. The only thing that was difficult was the tailgate cable mount up at the top. I thought I was going to have to break the torch out to get that thing off, but man, it was on there. But yeah, it came off nice and easy, quick install. If you like the video, please go ahead and hit that like button, hit that thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. And if you could, if you know anybody who can use this setup and they want to lower it, definitely share this video with them. And also, there is a stock Ford one, but the only ones that I could find were for 2015 and newer. And I guess that this is a 2013. And I guess the 2015 and newer are different, but it mounts on the passenger side inside, so you can't see it at all. But even with this, I mean, you don't really notice it, so nobody would notice it. They wouldn't notice it unless they were looking for it. So, yeah. Alright, I appreciate y'all watching. If you could, hit that like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hit that thumbs up for me, folks. Alright, catch you on the next one.